She be calling every single night. And I don't want to feel right. Almost to the God, I really mine. Swear I wanna die, yeah. When you go to the wanna die, yeah. No, I'm not a riot, yeah. I might start a riot, yeah. I'm so fucking tired, yeah. So what you say? Feeling good, I'm feeling great. Tired of the fucking hate. Stacking shit all on my plate.